Hello everyone, welcome to this math algebra. Today we are going to solve a beautiful equation involving reciprocal radicals. The answer of a minus x divided by to b plus x plus the end root of b plus x divided by a minus x equals 2. This equation may look complicated, but we will see a clever substitution and inequality to solve it elegantly. Let's to solve it. Here is the equation, the end root of a minus x divided to b plus x plus the end root of b plus x divided by a minus x equals to 2. We are going to find the value of x when the left side equals 2. The answer should be represented in terms of a and b. We have this equation led to assume the u as the end root of a minus x divided by b plus x larger than 0. Then we can write y divided by u is equals to the end root of b plus x divided by a minus x. So the equation can be written as u plus 1 divided by un equal to 2. So this is the standard format suggests a perfect square. We can write that u plus 1 divided by u is equals to 2. Multiply both sides by u, we have u2 plus 1 is equals to 2u. Then we have u2 minus 2u plus 1 equals to 0. We can write this as u minus 1 to the 2 equals to 0. So after this solve of this equation, we have u equals to 1. And because of the u is larger than little, we take the positive roots. So we have the u is equal to end root of a minus x divided by b plus x is equal to 1. Lays both sides to the ends over. So we have a minus x divided by b plus x is equal to 1 to the n equals to 1. So we can write a minus x equals to b plus x. So a minus b equals to 2x. And finally, we can write that x equals to a minus b divided by 2. So this gives the value of x in terms of a and b. So the root of that the equation is x equals to a minus b divided by 2. We are going to verify the answer. So substitute x equals to a minus b divided by 2 back into the original equation. In the original equation, we have the a minus x divided by b plus x equal to a minus b divided by 2 divided by b plus a minus b divided by 2. And we have that this expression is equal to 1. So for second expression, we have the similar result. So we have the end root of 1 plus end root of 1 equals to 1 plus 1 equals to 2. The right side and left side are equals. So the equation holds for x equals to a minus b divided by 2. Here also we can see the solution summary. Here the problem, the end root of a minus x divided by b plus x plus the end root of b plus x divided by a minus x equal to 2. After the assumption of u equals to end root of a minus x divided by b plus x, then 1 divided by u is equal to end root of b plus x divided by a minus x. The equation become u plus 1 divided by u equals to 2, and after the multiplication we have u2 minus 2u plus 1 equals to 0, and after the factorization we have u minus 1 2 equals to 0, and then u equals to 1. So we have that x, that without x is a minus b divided by 2. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.